Hello everyone, my name is Rajuta Chan, B.Ed student from Bhopal School of Social Sciences. Today we are going to take a lesson from geography, that is, the exogenous force, rivers. So firstly we are going to see the category of waterfall. You can see in the picture that how a waterfall is created. So during a natural course of a river, the river passes through different types of surfaces. There are many types of rock broadly classified. They can be classified as hard rock and soft rock. So when the river flows in its natural course, it encounters a pattern of hard and soft rock. And when the river slowly moves down, it takes over the soft rock with it and slowly eaten up the soft rock. And due to wear and tear continuously, the hard rocks breaks through, as you can see in the third step, and slowly a waterfall is formed. So this was how a waterfall is formed. If we go towards knowing the facts of it, the largest waterfall is the Victoria Fall in South Africa, and the longest waterfall is in Africa only, in Venezuela, and the name of the waterfall is the Angel Fall. Then a well-known fall is on the border of USA and Canada, which is known as the Nigeria Falls. Now let's see the another form of river, that is Oxbow Lakes. Now let's understand about the Oxbow Lakes. So let's take a situation. The water is flowing from mountains. Now you would have seen that whenever water flows on a slope, it flows in one direction very fast. Only in one, the water runs along the single path. But as the water reached the plain area, the plains, the water started forming meanders, large twist and turn. The last twist and turn, as you can see in the picture. As you know, the river carries sediments and rocks. The alluvial deposit with the flow. So, while the river moves down on the plain, it forms large twists and turns of meanders, and at a point of time, the sedimentary deposits are laid too much that the river need to change the channel, need to take a new channel to flow, leaving the trace of water as Oxbow Lake. So, Oxbow Lake is known as Oxbow because if you have seen an ox, it has a bow on the back. So, it is similar to it, hence, it is known as Oxbow Lake. Now, let's understand delta. The river is flowing and soon is going to reach its destination, going to meet the ocean. So, before meeting the ocean, the river opens up in form of distributaries, as you can see. And the green part that you can see between the distributaries is the sediment deposit. So it flows up, makes the area a bit large. If I say, see your hand, it directly represent the delta. If you see, this is the course of river and it's separating in small rivers. These are the distributaries and hence forming a delta. Now let's understand about the floodplains. What are floodplains? So the river is flowing on its natural course, but due to flood or due to heavy rainfall, the river overflows its bank. As you can see, the floodplain areas shown in the figure, and when the river overflows, it increases its area, leaving the sediment deposits on the floodplain. These sediment deposits are known as levees, Levees, hence creating a fertile area. Now, let's see the next form of river, that is sea waves. This is very interesting to be known. Due to continuous wear and tear of waves in the ocean, caves are formed. As you can see in the picture, these are known as sea caves. Slowly and as the time passes, it wears and tears the sea cave, the rock, more and more, hence forming a sea arc. And then, slowly, due to wind and river, the sea arc is formed into a sea cliff. Before moving to this stage of sea cliff, it is in the form of sea stack. And slowly, one part falls apart and it's known as sea cliff. So, this was all about the sea waves and the different exogenous force of river. Hope you were able to take something this from this lesson. Thank you.